everyone, I'm Adriana from Sue Sweet, and I'm here to show you a healthier version of a crispy rice treat. I have here 2 cups of crispy rice cereal. You need a half a cup of your favorite nut butter. I use peanut butter. And then you need a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, or you can use honey. You're gonna mix your syrup or your honey together with the peanut butter or the nut butter. Heat it in the microwave for about a minute and a half, and then add it to your crispy rice cereal. Give it a mix, and then you're going to press it into an 8x8 square pan, just like this one. Put it in the fridge for about a half an hour, and then cut it into 9 squares. After that, you can do whatever you like to it. You can dip it in chocolate here with some sprinkles. You can drizzle chocolate with some more sprinkles. I love sprinkles. And then you can drizzle it with some chocolate with some coconut. Whatever you like, the possibilities are endless. Clearly, the Easter Bunny is very excited about our Easter treats, and I hope you are too. Happy Easter, everyone.